Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of fractions and decimals. This is third question of its exercise 2.2. So question says that multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. So first 7 into 3 by 5, so 7 3s are 21 by 5, then 5 से divide करेंगे, 5 4s are 20, so 4 times completely divisible, then remainder is 1 upon 5. Second 4 ones are 4 by 3, so 3 से divide करेंगे, 3 ones are 3, remainder is 1 and denominator is 3. Then third part is 2 into 6 by 7, so 2 into 6 12 by 7, so 7 से 1 time completely divisible, then remainder is 5 upon 7. Fourth is 5 into 2 10 upon 9, so 9 ones are 9, then remainder is 1 upon 9. Then fifth 2 4s are 8 upon 3, so 3 2s are 6, remainder is 2 upon 3. Then sixth is 5 6 are, यहाँ 2 से 6 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, 2 6 are 2 3s are 6, so 3 5s are 15. Then seventh 11 4s are 44 upon 7, so 7 6 are 42, then 2 remainder and 7 as it is denominator. Then eighth 5 से कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा 20 4 times, so 4 into 4 16, then 9 13 into 1 13 by 3, so 3 से 3 4s are 12, so 4 times completely, then remainder is 1 upon 3. Then 10th 5 से 15 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा 3 times, so 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So these all are the fractions, and these 15 16 and 9 are the whole numbers. Thank you.